Hi, I'm Nikki and I'm a homemaker. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps your girl out. And today I'm going to be making some shrimp Alfredo pasta. This is my oldest daughter's favorite dish. Actually really simple to make, and the ingredients are going to be listed below in the description area. So if you like what you see, stick around and watch the video. And if you like this, don't forget to smash that like button as well. Since the pasta is what's going to take long through this whole meal, I want to start it first. So I got the water boiling. Put your salt or whatever it is you put in the water to help your noodles out. Put them in there, and I did about a handful of noodles for 2 people because my husband and my daughter really love this dish. Now I usually use zoodles with the zucchini. I didn't have any zucchini, so that's why I did the spaghetti pasta. I also did cooked shrimp. That's what I had in the freezer. If you want to use fresh shrimp, go right ahead. But cooked shrimp works just fine. My kids love it, my husband loves it, and it's pretty simple. If you've never messed with shrimp, guys, this is already cooked. All you do is put it on the pan and cook it for about 2 minutes. Now I got some garlic that I am chopping up. You can use minced garlic that's in the jar as well if that's what you have. So I did 2 to 3 cloves, and I got my pan on a medium low, and I'm putting my butter on there. I don't want to put the heat on too high because we don't want the garlic to burn. So just enough where the butter is melting at a nice rate. You don't want it to be too high because then even the butter it'll burn. So after it is melted really nicely, I just went ahead and added the garlic to it, and I'm gonna let this cook and really blend in with the butter for about 2 minutes. So I'm jumping right in, and I'm going to make the Alfredo sauce since the shrimp is going to be the easiest and fastest thing that's going to be in this recipe. And I'm getting my heavy cream ready, and I'm going to be pouring it in there little by little and just mixing it in there really good. And I still have the heat like on a medium low, but I raised it just a little bit. So I'm just going to steady add it in there, and I went ahead and fast forward it because basically all you're doing is adding it little by little, and just stirring it. I was originally planning on using my friend's Alfredo recipe because I hadn't tried it yet, and sadly she's been out of town and I haven't been able to really get a hold of her. She's busy having family time, so I didn't really want to disturb her. So I'm just using the basic Alfredo sauce that many people already do. This is a common recipe, but yeah, I just went ahead and stuck to it. My daughter loves it, but I do want to try that other Alfredo sauce that my friend does as well. I kind of don't want to stick with anything that has flour in it though. I don't like to put flour in any of my dishes if I don't have to. So I don't know if hers has flour or not, but I guess I'll find out soon. So I have these spaghetti on a high heat and they are almost done. So by the time this sauce is ready, those noodles should be ready, and I'm just gonna scoot them over and then we'll start with the shrimp because we are almost done with this sauce. Alrighty, so now I'm going to be pouring my 2 cups of Parmesan cheese in there, and I'm just going to stir it so it doesn't get clumpy. And at this time I raised the temperature just a little bit, so I'm kind of pushed towards more of a medium heat, and that way I did that so that the Parmesan cheese could really melt better. And that's all I'm doing. I'm just going to make sure that everything is blended in there before I put that 2nd cup in there. Now you can choose whatever Parmesan cheese you want. You can get the one that you grate yourself, the one that's already grated in a package, which is the one I have, and then they have the other Parmesan cheese, the one that you would normally put like on spaghetti. I've actually used that before when I had nothing, and I don't know, it still worked out fine. My daughter still loved it and it was okay, but I try to stick to just the shredded one that's in the bag already, the Parmesan cheese. Now on to our last and final step on cooking. It's going to be with the shrimp, and I do have the stove on a medium heat, and that's why it looks a little steamy, but it's the same step with the butter and 2 cloves of chopped garlic, and it's just going to be a buttery garlic taste with the shrimp. If you have fresh shrimp, same step, same process. You're just gonna throw it in there. Shrimp looks kind of grayish and it'll turn pink when it's ready. Cooks really fast, but I'm just using cooked shrimp because that's what we have, and to me it's okay, especially if you've never messed with shrimp before. And some people are kind of scared to mess with water foods and stuff like that. So this one's already cooked. All you have to do is basically you're just putting it in there. It's already cooked. You're warming it up for about a minute or two, and that's it. You're just gonna cook it up, and it's already cooked. So you don't want to cook it too much because it'll get like chewy and rubbery. So just like seriously like a minute or two. You're just kind of like you're reheating it basically. But yeah, whatever shrimp you have is fine. We're just gonna have the same garlic buttery taste. So now we're gonna prepare the plate, and I'm putting a lot of pasta on here just for the fact, you know, I wanted to get me a nice little thumbnail, but my husband and my daughter did tear it up anyways right after. So I am just putting the spaghetti in there, and like I said, I usually do zoodles instead of pasta, noodle pasta. You can use whatever. I just haven't found good zucchini at the store lately. It really upsets me that I didn't get to grow my own. But anyways, I am putting quite a bit of pasta on here just for the sake of a good, you know, good presentation for you guys. And I'm just putting the Alfredo sauce on there. This is a fun part where you get to decorate it and make it look really cute for your family. And it's gonna look, I'm trying to get better at making the foods look nice. I need to put more time and effort into it, but I'm trying here, guys. So I'm just putting the Alfredo sauce, and then I'm just gonna put the shrimp on there. And if you want to garnish it with some parsley, that's what I'm gonna do. Go ahead, chop up some parsley, and it makes it look really nice and just more prettier. So that's basically it, you guys. Just some Alfredo sauce, your pasta, some shrimp, top it with some chopped up parsley, and you have yourself a really nice meal. Really nice, elegant looking meal that's gonna be so tasty, and something that isn't really time consuming at all. Like I said, the part that took the longest here was the pasta, but if you do zoodles are like so quick, like really quick. I just put them on the stove for about 2 to 3 minutes just to cook, and they're ready. But if you're gonna use pasta, that's gonna be the most time consuming part of this whole thing. But it's really a fast, simple, nice looking, elegant, tasty meal. And I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, quick recipe. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, it really helps your girl out. And if you have any more suggestions, don't forget to put them on the comments below, and I will read them. And I have made everything that has been suggested to me, even on challenges. Whenever people suggest challenges, we have done them for you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. You guys have a blessed one. Bye.